Ẹ káàárọ̀, ilé ayé. Good morning, world. Ẹ kú ọ̀sẹ̀ Òrìṣà Jakuta Ṣàngó àti Yeye Ọ̀yá. Ẹ̀bà. Ibase Olódùmarè. Olódùmarè. I gotta do that head thing so I can try to hit the tones better. I wanted to do a new type of video entry that shares some of my experiences with Orishas. I'm always in awe of the way they manifest. So I did say thank you to God earlier. I wanted to speak just briefly about my experience with Yeye Yemoja. When I was in Barbados, you know, that's, well, where we were was on the shore of the Caribbean Sea. And, you know, I have these experiences, these other dimensional experiences with Orishas and Egungun, all kinds of spirits. They're so good to me. Anyway, I was asking for Yeye to appear, like, I want to see you, Iya, you know. But she kept telling me too that I was seeing her because I'm at the ocean. But I wanted her to show up in the other dimensional way that she can sometimes show up. So, not knowing, you know, what would happen thereafter. But shortly after we left, it was the night that we left. She did appear in the way that I was, you know, invoking her to appear. When she showed up, I mean, she really showed up. She told me some of the history of my people, you know, that crossed the waters. Yeah, I didn't know about that part. That was beautiful. I'm grateful. So many ancestral things, you know, and noticeable concentration began to occur. I'm very thankful. I mean, if y'all be having experiences like that with Orisha, respect. Or others. Orisha manifests differently for many different reasons, for different people. Orishas are spirits. They're angelic forces in the Yoruba tradition. They certainly have manifestations in several other spiritualities of the world also. But the Orishas are appointed by God to assist with supporting and helping to enhance humans' destinies. They're alive, you know, they're alive. They've manifested through our ancestors as well. If y'all have any questions about Ifá, Yoruba specifically, please do let me know. It's a beautiful spirituality. Ibase Yeye Yemoja. Thank you, my people. Stay strong, stay brave, stay brave. Keep great, excellent, divine character, you know. Make no intentional efforts to harm any man. Yeah.